That's all. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to update my node project with bevy new version. I think it's 0.11. Okay. Press. No, it's 0.10, I think. Oh, or 0.11. Yeah, I think it's probably it's 0.11. Okay. So I got the correct example if I do that. Probably like that. Yes, I need to create a branch. 11.1. I think if I just change the something like that. I don't have. Okay. I think I'm going to rewrite almost everything, but with a plugin, like physics plugin, and the plugin for the map actually, because otherwise I have to rewrite a lot of things. Also, yeah, I think the bevy asset is pretty good for that. Also got plugin. This is the game, I think. Okay, this is a plugin, I guess. No, yes it is. Maybe I use this one or this one, I don't know. The ES tile map or the tile set. Probably the ES tile map actually. And yeah, I think I could do it without a physics engine, but I already spent too much time, and I'm planning to use physics engine on another game, so it's good to learn one. And building a physics engine from scratch, even for Mario, it's not, the physics is not that complex, but I prefer to use one actually. And yeah. This is pretty good, but I don't need that. What I need is this one, the bevy tile map, and maybe still ugly, but bevy inspector, yeah, this one. Remove dev tool, what is that? Does look cool, but it's an old one. So I have this one and this one. It's archive, it's not good. Okay. It doesn't exist anymore. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so I'll not use this one definitely. Yeah, yes. Okay, you have bevy tilemap and OCS. Should I use this one or this one? No. This one is archive, this one is not, so I mean I have to use this one. Yeah, okay. One type entity, what it can do? Animation on tile, basics on color. We have example with camouflage, good. Yeah, map. So I want my own map, I guess I can do that. Okay. So if I add this thing, no, it should release feature, can go release. Yeah, it doesn't tell how to add it, but I guess it's maybe there's features you need to enable. Well, first issue, it's not the case. Yeah, but I don't know the. I don't know the. I think I should go to. Wait, September. Wait, maybe. Okay. Bevy tile map, set ECS. This one. Okay, I want that. I want that. I want the Rapier plugin for the physics engine. Rapier test, Rapier A1. Oh, is it A1 or Rapier A1? No, I don't think. Just Rapier out. Put Rapier. I already play a little bit with the. Well, I didn't play, but I watched how it's work. And it's basically you have a wall system and your bevy system, and the engine is run separately. So it's like you have another wall where everything runs on the physics engines, and it's synchronized somehow. Yeah, that's annoying. If I go, I just want to, well, if I tap Rapier bevy maybe. Okay, maybe there's a, okay, yes, there, probably here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you said I want that actually, plus by the latest version. I want fixed version for Rapier 2D. It's bevy Rapier 2D. Like that. Yeah, okay. Shipyard Rapier, what? What is shipyard? No, it's not shipyard. It's just Rapier 2D or Rapier. Oh, okay, this is it. Yeah, the version is set. Okay. And I want the inspector. Okay, think this is it. Yeah, this is what I want. Oh, I live in money now. Yeah, that's cool. Because it's so useful to have something like that to test when your game is running. Otherwise, it's like you need to compile every time you want to make a change. Well, whenever you want to test things. And this is okay. This Iggy Dog. I think I still have the reference here. Iggy. Oh, this example here. And we create Iggy Drive. This one. Maybe we need to copy that. I want the most simple things possible. Should I just that? Is that enough? Okay, it's enough apparently. Yeah, okay. Now if I compile, nothing should work. If I go to the main, I should have error everywhere. Locate projects, what's on? Okay, I can't even locate the project. What the fuck? If I do that. I fucked up something. This is not good. Dynamic but bevy does not have this feature. Okay. I think the dynamics was to compile faster. Maybe you don't need it anymore, I don't know. Resolver, upload. Cargo, I still have that, it's good. Features, dynamic linking, okay. Probably. This is the most impactful decrease, yeah. Need that. Okay, it's beautiful. We'll see if it's easy to refactor. But the problem is that I don't refactor the game. I rewrite everything. I can keep maybe something, but I need to almost rewrite everything. And I don't even remember what I did. It's been so long. Yeah, I remember that I spent a lot of time to code only for the time map. And so the time, where is the time map? It's there. Nice. Okay. And you have sprites, ones, entities not used. Level is in text. Okay. So this is good. What's inside? Config, debug. Okay. I have a debug state where I can move the camera and toggle full screen. I can keep that. Does it also restore these two things? And I'm still compiling. Okay. False kind. Yeah. So I can get rid of all of that actually. So I don't need it if I have a physics engine. I don't need that, I don't need that. can keep that, but is that what's inside the main? The main, so insert the resource. I insert a hash map inside the resource. What do? I have physics plugin. So this become Rapier and I debug plugin. That's it. Okay, I think this can stay. I have map plugin also. Maybe I can get rid of it. What? I have map plugin without anything. Okay, yeah. Yeah. I think everything's seen, even the system set cost. Yeah, I need to rewrite everything. Maybe not that. Yeah, maybe I don't need to rewrite that. If Mario controller. What the fuck? Okay, here comes the 1000 million error. Why does it do that? Sorry. Okay. I don't even add them. Ah yes, I do here. It's inside debugger, so I have input plugin. It's a plugin book, okay. This is my plugin with this thing, okay. Maybe I add it later. Maybe I can. Cause this my. Let's do something first. Wow, there's so many things to do. There's so many things to do. I think it's even better to restart it from scratch, but what? Yeah, I should have error everywhere here. Not that much actually. What's wrong with that? What is this thing? Window origin button left. Okay. View per origin. So let's command that. Let's get rid of that. What's wrong with the config? It's the only file that should work actually, the config. There's nothing specific to it. In result, I brought bevy inspector agreeable inspect plugin. Okay, it's not the config. It's because it's the first one I do. Yeah, the error is confusing. I don't have window descriptor. No. Okay. Is that because? I don't have window descriptor. But it came from the bevy prelude, but it's not there anymore. Wow, they changed everything actually. They changed everything. It looked like I don't even know how to display window anymore. It's fucking. Window sizing, window setting. Okay. So you have window plugin. default primary window. Yeah, okay. Why do I add plugins like that? It's because I want to configure it, I guess. And I have primary window instead. So you have something like that. Still have you have primary window. It's an option. So some window. And then you have the config for it. It's add plugin set primary window, some window. This window. Wow. No, window is a prelude. I should have it. Yeah, because I missed that, I guess. And I need the default here. Yeah, I want, well, actually exactly the same things here. I want that. I want that, okay. Should be good. No, with the name, okay, has it changed everything? Oh. Okay, don't even have the width and height here. Window team. Resolution. Well, they really change everything I get. They change everything. Even display window is not the same code anymore. Present mode? What is present mode is? Let's try that. And this go away. What was the borderless window mode? Do I have mode? Does mode exist? It was okay, no? It doesn't yeah, it's complain actually. I don't know. Yeah, need to use that some window name. Yeah, you still have mode. Position, title. What was it? Borderless? Oh, it doesn't really matter. It's still complaining. Need to only string, okay. Okay. Why are you still complaining? Yeah, of course it does. I think startup system stage doesn't even exist, so if I look at startup, I think it's issues. Okay. Press startup? Why press startup? Before everything. Can I just do that? I don't know. Kind of lost. Then you can have an update and a tuple. I don't remember, it's been so long. It's been so long. Well, I couldn't even remember, I never do it, I mean, they change everything. Load assets. This will work, I guess. Let's remove this one for now. I think physics plugin is going away. I can even remove it, the file and all that. Well, because I don't want to refactor it. Let's move it into then. This go away. Map plugin doesn't go away. Well, maybe it will actually. Well, let's move it for now. Okay, this is the build map, the most important things actually. I think I can just not remove it now. I just want the basic things that working. That this go away. Oh yes, spawn marrow. Still going. What is this thing? System to stage. Startup system set. Yeah, it's I don't know what. Insets. So, well, it's doing inset after. You know, I'm doing a system set. How is it doing inset? My set. Always my set for inset. I don't know. Yeah, it's plural system set. Can I add everything here? I want this one to load first, then this one. And one is startup and the other for the update. Yeah, I still have startup. What do I have? Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, but I want to run only one. Not on the update. It cannot be on the update. It must be on the startup too, but it must be after load assets. Yeah, but the running conditions that they are running parallel. So if I put if I say that, I don't think it can spawn it's probably not going to work as intended, but this one is just the add system with update, and then you have this thing. I don't know. It can be. It's always add system. I think like that. No. Why not okay? This one is okay. I need to be a tuple. It's not a tuple here. And maybe what the fuck is this thing? Like that? No. I don't know. do that. Maybe update doesn't exist. Yes, it does. Why is not happy with that? Like, add system and then maybe it's a system. Yeah. I don't know. Okay. Maybe the full time name has been rewritten. I think the problem is in the controller itself. No? Required by your bonds in bevy prelude app add system. What do you mean? Maybe it's not my controller. What did I did? Yeah. Don't know why it doesn't work. If I compile it. This code still works. They didn't change everything. If this still run, I'm surprised still run. Add system set to stage. Okay. I need to go to map. I cannot do that like that. I don't have any. Yeah, I don't have that. And I need this thing going away. Where is it use? Let's remove it for now. And this thing going away also. Debug is going away. Wow. Should I correct that? Yeah, I think it's partitioning code. I can keep it. Just this thing I can, or I can change it. I can. This thing I can go away. System sets doesn't exist anymore. Yeah. I should definitely have system, startup system, but you have startup and update, okay? But yeah, but and you have state. Do you have stage anymore? Maybe you don't have stage. Stage. There's no stage anymore. Maybe there's no stage anymore. This is what I don't understand. I mean, they really changed the system behavior. It's completely different. Generic fixed, yeah. System param, system piping, maybe system piping. No. Ah, what is this thing? Pipe. How to make a single system for multi-function running in sequence. Ah, that's good. Ah, it's because yeah, I don't need that. It's too complex. But it's basically you can send message between your system, but don't need that. System closer. Updates. Yeah, it's doing two different updates. It doesn't. I think state is, yeah, you have upstate. Do I have an upstate? Maybe I should add this thing. Do I have state? Upstate. I don't have state. I think it's merged with state now. And if I, yeah, so you add the state, And then I think you can say it will run in the state menu on the state. Then you have on exit and on enter, so you can use on exit on enter. Because maybe I don't know, maybe I have a menu, a load asset state. Maybe I have a load asset state. The load asset and the menu. Maybe I could add this thing like yeah, I bypass the menu for now because there is no menu. But maybe I have a thing like that. App state, load, and game. And if I add this state now. That is first. I add this state, and now I can basically say things like I can say on update, on exit, and on enter. I don't have in state. It's the I don't know. It's clean. Yeah, basically something on enter, then you spawn Mario, for example, you spawn the camera, you spawn everything. Clean up game, clean up menu. You have to do the cleanup also. I don't need that for now, but what about the setup here? What is the setup doing? Yeah, spawn the camera. Doesn't load the assets. Setup is still the first one. Then it's on the load state, so you need to exit the state. How does it exit the state? Do you have to tell it? Ah, yes. Comment instead, no. You have setup menus and you are in menu, and the menu is changing the state. So maybe I can just do, after you load the load assets, I can change the state. Maybe that's the best way to do it actually. Just say next state set. Next state. So you have, okay. So it's here. And you do a next state game. So you start, you load everything. I think it should maybe, I don't know. Yeah. Then you go to the game state. And I can say that this thing, startup, is still correct, I think. It's load the assets, but not Mario. It doesn't spawn Mario. Then you add. Yes, I can get rid of that. You add system on enter. On enter. App state game. Yeah, I should maybe call it in game. Like they did. And when I have that, I can spawn Mario. I can spawn Mario and the Mario controller. Oh no, the Mario controller is on the update, of course, so I can spawn and enter, spawn Mario. fuck me. Where is it? Yes. And then I have new date. But I say in the end run if with the state. So I basically say dot run if. So you can target any system to be run in a state. Is that correct? Up state, and then it's in game. But it doesn't like it for some reason. This no relief. This method relief exists for f anytime resource string code. I think it's still the problem here. I mean, maybe I don't have body anymore. Yeah, because I don't have body anymore. It should. This thing go away. Well, the Mario controller, I have to rewrite it anyway, but I still, yeah. Basically, I just need to change the velocity, but no, I can just say, can I log like that? Yeah. Left, right. And that's it. Preset. What was preset again? Input press space. Source. Jump. This thing go away. The query go away. I don't have log. I think I could log it. Maybe I need to bring the logger. I don't know. Log. Relog. Yeah, but how do I log? Do I print out? Do I use a specific syntax? I think I can use info or things like that, but can I use that? But I need to bring up. No, I don't need to bring anything. Okay, it's bring by the bevy system, so yeah, let's keep it like that. Left and right. Guess no, do nothing. So body disappear. I keep the name. Okay. I still doesn't work. Upstairs in game. Syntax is strange because one I have on enters and I specify the system, the state, and the other way I just say strip date and run it in the state. It's kind of different. It doesn't work. Bond introduction is this call. Condition sealed. Okay for upstate. Prelude condition. I don't know. I don't know. I don't understand. I don't know why it's not happy about it. So I set up, then I change the state. I think there's an error here somewhere. What's wrong here? Recur bound. What if? Maybe I need to bring the comments. I think if I don't bring the comments, it doesn't know it's a system. No, this was a dumb theory. No, I don't need the commands. No, I don't need that. If F and movement. Yeah, I have movement here. Don't know why it doesn't move. Yeah, don't have that anymore. With that after I default calls it. Oh, I think it don't like the info. It doesn't show me an error, that's weird. It's not it. Okay, where am I? Okay, I think it's not happy with the debug one. Yeah, maybe is the main widget? I don't register it now. I should not call it debug. Or maybe it's not that bad actually. Yeah, I get rid of it, but not this. If I get rid of that now, then this may. I still have the error, that's... Yeah, but they not register anymore. Oh, condition M. Run if condition required by this mode into system config. Okay. Upstate in game. The trait into system bool is not implemented for upstate. What are you talking? Why could I do that here, but not here? It makes no sense to me. State. Yes, state. It looks like my okay, my syntax is not good. I need to do instead with that. Okay. What does instate mean? Common condition. Okay. Run if is general things. Like one system only with condition, and the instate is the condition only for the state. Okay. Cool. Makes perfect sense. Okay. Right. Can I have the info? Yes. It's built. And does it run? Yes, it's run. I have Mario over here. Yeah. So I need to do everything. Maybe I add the debug menu first. I will add the debug menus and the map. So I don't need that. I need that, I don't need that. Yeah, debug. Maybe I can keep it like that. And, cause yeah, if I... That is the window changing. So that's the full screen actually. It's getting weird, but I still have a set mode. No, I don't. I don't have Windows. The Windows is really changed. And the bevy inspector again. Let me go here. Take the last version. Main. And I'm in the which version? Turbo. 0.19. What? Bevy Inspector Eggy? Is this not what I am? Okay, I don't understand. Maybe some the readme? How do I know which version it is? Yeah, it tell me 0.19, but when I fetch it, I fetch all the branch. Okay, I have them. That is, I have them. Okay. It's 0.19. I don't have 19 here. Maybe it's because the last one. Yeah. Okay. This is the release 19. What? It's the main one. Okay. I don't know why they don't have a branch for that, but this is the correct one. And if I go to basic quick, rule inspector, resource inspector, asset inspector, maybe integration or basic, that's insane. Okay, this one you register all your things. And this one. Default inspector config, ugly plugin. That's pretty good. Then init versus configuration. And here you do that. And that's it. You do that. And you register things, I have no idea why. Config. You know I can definitely do it. Carry on. And maybe Lucky Dog. I take a lot of time. Whoa, it's in 3D. Okay, that's look cool. You have texture, image, you have the resource here, and you have the component. Oh, and you have the inspector in the game. Oh, that's pretty good. That's really good actually. If I could have something like that. I think I need to copy this one. Wow, that's a lot of code. Yeah, it's a lot of code. Wow. I don't know Can I just add it? Of the quick plugin. Maybe it's the quick plug. Ah, yeah. This one does. Yeah, don't have a lot of code. If I do load. Okay. The classic word inspector, and if you have word inspector assets, because yeah, if you can see the assets, the word inspector is the same things. Ah, because you have assets here now, in the end, okay. Is there a way to have the doc like pretty easy? Because it's so much more powerful. But yeah, it's too much code. It's maybe I can copy it. On the startup. Process is good. Why do I need all of that? You even have a viewport for the camera. Maybe this example. A gdoc. Manual, resource inspector, world inspector. Yeah, the most easy way is just to do that. You have nothing to do. Cannot any struct actually. Yeah, you register init and register and you cannot such. About the state inspector. Oh, I can change the state like that, that's so cool. Ah, okay. Ah, it's very useful. You create your own plugin for that? Oh no, really quick. I think the quick is, yeah. I just do that. Yeah, but I want to run it everywhere. Plugin group builder and just add. How do that? Add plugins. Why do I have plugin group builder? Okay, there's two plugins, and the debug plugins. Can you do add plugin here? Add plugin? No, you can't. Oh, it's bad. I don't know. Maybe I can just add this maybe to here. Probably I can. No, I can't. Ah, yeah. Input toggle active. I need that, so that's it. I don't need it. And I need to change that so it's pre-update. Why it's pre-update? Oh, it just update now. Update. Up. Add system. Like that. So you have update. And you have, I think, something like that. this much. Do I need to run in the end? No, don't think so. Maybe it's not happy, but yeah, okay. What about the move camera? This one? No, I'm still not happy. I fucked up something, I think. Good luck. I have up, add. No, that's it. Because it's just going to run the code. Yeah, it takes this thing. It's add plugin. It's just to add multi-plugin. It's just going to run this code. So you have that and that. Windows. Okay. So if not window, query window. Windows is a component now. It's not a resource, it's a component. I think Windows is a component. It's still Windows and single node. It's still the same actually. No. Single node. And set. Can it change full screen? I need to go to the setting to see what you can do with it. Toggle 10, toggle cursor, toggle sync. Oh, you can change the theme, the title, switch level. Toggle vsync. Oh, that's so cool. And there is no full screen. There's no full screen. I don't know. You can change the theme like really easy, the title, the level, but going full screen is too complex. Always on bottom. I think I'm going to run this code. I will run, for example, window setting. Wechselstein. Okay, so 7 is okay. Wow. Okay. Window. If I do, which letter it is? T. Wow, it is it is a T. No, where it is? I don't know where it is. It's look broken to me. Toggle cursor, toggle team. F. Doesn't change anything. Well, I don't know. Cycle cursor icon. Left. Mouse button. Ah, that's so cool. I don't care that. Yeah, I don't know how to go full screen. Full screen. Window present mode. There is this thing. The V-Sync. Okay. Yes, it actually don't tell you how to do that. But maybe window resizing. Probably. That's probably it. That's so cool. Can change the resolution like that. That's pretty cool. Toggle resolution. Yeah, it changed the resolution. It's not going full screen, but position small. Yeah. I know something. Yeah, but it doesn't show how you need to adapt your tile with the resolution. That's actually something not obvious at all. Scale factor? Scale factor array 1. Display content. Display right, toggle right. Scale factor. It's like the scale factor. No. Key color. I don't know. Yeah, you have set maximize. Maybe this is it. Okay. Oh, it's maximize actually. Why do I need game resource? It's full screen. Okay, that's inside game resource. Okay. If I need to track that? Well, not really. Can I ask for is, but not in the game, like window.is maximize? Is change dynamic? No, maybe I can't. Okay. think I can just do that in here. Yeah, I don't need that. I just need to revert it. And when I revert it, I think, yeah, I take a boolean. Why it doesn't work? Can borrow Windows material. What? Ah. But why not? I say it's a matte window. Single matte window. Oh, okay. I forgot that. Okay. I think this is good now. Okay, let's bring it back. And config. Debug. Yeah, still need that. I just add the plugin. Then add plugins. Why? No. Why not? Why are you not happy about it? Unexpected debug plugin, remove this extra argument. I don't know. It's on, yeah, it cannot. Oh, I need to be a topper. I need one more. So I can. I cannot set. No? Maybe. No. Yeah, it's close here, no? Close here. So I need to be comma here. Like it. Okay, let's. Okay, so I've that. Now I should run. Okay, why? With my debug things. Why do I have all of that? Okay, it's the default resource. Ah, okay, I see. I have Mario. Okay, it's cool. Right, well, Windows and entities. And the assets. Cool. Can I change it? Yeah. If I do, okay, move. Okay. Let's be committed. Which person is this? 0. I need to add the map. I need to add the map. It's going to be way harder. That's what I just did. But if I go to category here, the map. This thing. This. If I go to basic. So you have texture, and you say the size. Create a tilemap entity a little early. You want this entity early because you need to tell each tile which tilemap entity it's associated with. Okay, create an empty one. And a file storage. File storage is linked to that. When he's iterating over his map, swap texture right, and there is code actually. Maybe that's all I need. If I do category run basic, I need to cool. Can I do things with that? Okay. It's pretty simple, but problem is it's all the same tile. I changed the asset from it here, but the basic key ID is that it creates that the count of size. Well, it's how many tile you have. Then tile storage. So this is created with the configuration of tilemap size. Then you iterate over X and Y. You create a type pos, X and Y. So just 0, 0, 1, 1. You create an entity, type bundle. That's the most important thing, I think. Create a type bundle, the position, tilemap ID, tilemap. Maybe I don't understand something. Yeah, I don't see the link between the texture and the map. Where's the texture and the link? Oh, it's later. Okay, it's when he's adding tilemap bundle. Okay. Die storage set. Okay. Okay, I see. So when you create the map size, you can tell on each X and Y where you're going to add a tile, basically. And you set with the position what you return to, and the tile entity what you create. I have tile map ID, tile map entity. I don't know why. It's like he's doing an empty stuff first. I don't know why, but. And you have tile size, grid size, map type. Okay. And command entity. So it already adds like 32 times 32 tile bundle. And if do a final command entity, so he adds them and it adds to the storage too. So the existing the die storage is a proxy with the ID, okay? Then you specify all the parameter. What I don't understand is how is your I know where you place it, that makes sense on the map, but I don't know how you refer to your texture. Because you have to refer to your texture somehow, but it doesn't. Maybe it's not a bad example for that, I don't know. If I go to move tile, maybe just tile. Tile is too simple, I think. Spacing. That was tile? Oh, that's pretty much what I want. Didn't did anything, that's funny. Timer plugin? Helper, okay, just an helper for that. Oh, because it's a TMX. Yeah, I didn't need to do anything because it's already. Okay. I don't have this format. My format is just text. I have helper here. Okay. That's why it's called tiling. I get it now. What about texture container rec, texture rec? Yeah, this. Yeah, but it's only one texture here. If I go to its assets. Yeah, this, okay, it's for animation, individual, tiles, yeah, there's several of them. Maybe the color one. Color. No, it's what is he doing? Map size, column size, tile storage. Then you have a function that do stuff. It's a function that exists already. Fill timeout rect color. Fill a rectangle region with color version of the given time. That's not what I want, but it's pretty cool. What about this one? You can move the tile. I don't need to move the tile, so... maybe some I need to. This one is good because you have this. Oh, yeah. Text you under. I don't understand how they are linked. Time up size. Okay, there's just two things. Move title. Move title. Know what I can do with it. I need to hit space. Okay. It's not really what I want. But it's good that you can move your tile. Really cool. What about random map? Random map. Still take dice. Eater, that's always the same kind of code. That's always the same kind of code. This is always the same, it looks like. Then you do the tile pose. And you do the tile entity. After that become. Then you have the tile size after. Grid size. What? Why is the grid size? Is the tile size into? Okay, so maybe it's because how does he know that? No. I don't know. Get diamonds, auto transform, map size, grid size, map type 00. Oh, cool. Yeah, clearly. Even the randomness, I don't care about that actually. I think that I think he put all, maybe it's the transform 00. What is this thing? Z. Calculate for a time at that place it so that it's not at 000. Okay. No, that is useless. Yeah, for me it's clearly that you should put it in the tile map ID. Does it change the tile map ID later? Tile 0. Tile texture. gray, so it's the type texture index, yeah. Yeah, it changed the index of the texture every time. That makes sense, but yeah, I think it's the time up ID, I'm not sure. It's not the best example. Can I mouse the title layer? Maybe basic was pretty good actually. Yeah, basic doesn't. Bench, color, chunking, layer, mouse, remove spacing, texture back maybe. You see, I don't even have several texture. That's not even my problem. It's just auto-link the. Wow, that looked cool. I still have just tiles. It's not. It's not the good one. It's an hexagonal one. Wait a minute. Did I? Texture rack? It's not. What? Is that the blue one? No, of course. This one looks so cool. Yeah, it has several textures, that's the thing. It's not even my problem. What about spacing? Tile space. Yeah, it's because there is. Yeah, that's the problem is that I have code on its I don't know how you say that. Map size could say because maybe I cannot. Yeah, I cannot do that. There's no way. Because after that you refer to all your tile index if they all have the same size and same spacing. That's not my case. It's not my case at all. I need to do a mapping every time. So I cannot even use that. I can't. Yeah, that's maybe I cannot use the plugin because of that. I cannot refer to a piece of it to say this is the index. There's no way I can do that. Because I will tell tile texture index. Maybe I don't know. I don't know. level anymore. Yeah, I should. Yeah. It's just a text. There's no code. Like, where's the level 5 come from? Yeah, I still have level, yeah, of course. What's this thing was doing? There's a level 5. Yeah, it's built. Yeah, okay, can keep that. Yes, I can keep that. Resize and option grid level 5. Index 2. I don't know why. Why it's not resize? Yeah, still have the grid. Yeah. New grid. And what about do a game resource map to index get? It's just risky. Map resource. Game resource. What? I don't know remember this code. No. Yeah, because when I've built this thing, I have the map, but okay. So this thing is that map to index what I have here. Okay, that still makes sense. Yeah, but I need to do a mapping. And I have that, and I need to do maybe it's the game resource map to index. The thing I build. Where do I build it? No, it's not. Yeah, but after that. Oh, is that enough? Make no sense. Do I use that? That code. Does it use sprite? Textual last by new config entity time. It's for Mario. It's for the admin. It's not okay. This is for the map. I should definitely, because I have no idea what it's Yeah, that's bad. It's really bad. How am I supposed to use it? Yeah, I'm creating my own texture. That's all the trick. I'm creating my own atlas. Is that what I'm doing? I just export texture atlas, add texture, what new? Do I need the tiles? Sets tiles. Use on display. Oh, this shit. I can get rid of tile, no? Yeah, I have the dimension for them, okay. Yeah, but that's the thing, that I don't have... maybe I can. I probably can do that. But on this example, it's always using texture handle directly. How is doing tile map texture anyway? He's doing that anyway, no? Yeah, but I'm a texture atlas. Can I use the texture atlas here? Atlas. No, I can't. Fuck, I can't. Tile map text. Yeah. Maybe can receive several things. Can receive an image. This only makes sense to use when the atlas feature is not enabled, as texture array is required to handle storing an array of texture. So also only available when atlas is not enabled. Vec handle image. Yeah, problem is that it's not an image. Yeah, this is an image, but after that, it's a handle. I can't. Can I recreate an image from that? Texture atlas, it's different. this image. No. Yeah, yes, zero example of it's only take texture and it's an enum, but I don't think I can send that to him. Maybe I can. I don't know. No, I'm pretty sure he's going to say no, you cannot do that. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but the whole point of this thing is to maybe I can send this thing, but I probably I don't think you can. But maybe if I cast it. Yeah, it's annoying. If I can do that, I'm fucked with the plugin. Completely fucked. So let's copy the basic one. Oh, add Atlas to array texture loader so it pre-processes before we need to use it. Only use when the Atlas be used. What is this thing? It's preload something. I don't know. Yeah, I'm basically fucked here. That's why I'm fucked. And I'm so... Because he's doing the ID after, and I need to... It's funny that it's doing the ID. I don't know. It doesn't show you can change... Yeah, visibility methods not good. Ah, yeah. He's loading different assets altogether. Definitely not what I want to do. Maybe... No, that's so fucking dumb. What about animation? Same things. Oh, he's creating... Okay, so cool. Fill time up. Fill timer project. Fill an entire tile storage with the given tile. Yes, okay. Text to index. Tile map ID, tile map entity. Oh, it's, I don't know. I don't know what it's doing. No idea. Fill on tile storage with a given tile. Yeah, it's always sending the same text to index, but you have no idea. How do you know which text to index correspond to your sheets? How do you know that? This is what I don't understand. But I think you know that because you tell that you tell some metadata like the size, it's the grid size and the tile size, but I don't know if it will work. Maybe it will, maybe not. Oh, I keep looking later.